Hi everyone, and welcome to this incredible new 3-bedroom tiny home design. This is 12 metres long by 3 metres wide, so one of our larger tiny home designs, but perfect for families wanting to downsize or even just to have that bit more space for a guest room or for the grandchildren. So come on through and I'll show you around. Heading into the central kitchen space here, with the movable breakfast bar island bench. It's a stunning area to be in, so beautiful and open. As you can see here, the beautiful high ceilings, gorgeous pendant light. So we've got the end lounge, lovely cozy space. And then coming around here, you can see there that the kitchen is really the focus of the centre of the home. And that beautiful feature balustrade wall upstairs. Again, a beautiful way to just open up the space. And also a really lovely, almost like an art feature. And the accents of black with the tiles, which is really cool. We've done a mix, as you can see there, of gloss and matte. It just really brings it out beautifully. Full-size pantry, lots of storage, as you can see there. You can move the breakfast bar around. Coming on down the hallway at the front of the house. And then we've future-proofed with another door here that you can add a pod on down the track. And into the bathroom. Again, a beautiful space, a mirror cabinet for more storage, lovely vanity, again with the accents of black, the laundry space there with a cupboard above for all the linen, and toilet, and again a really cool shower with the feature hexagonal wall. So quite a good sized bathroom. And then down into the master bedroom. Great having a downstairs bedroom. And that's a queen size bed we've set up here. Again, lots of room. And this wall here I'll show you is going to have the built-in wardrobes that our customer has chosen. So great to have wardrobes in every bedroom. And coming on up the stairs, again you'll see here we've got stair storage. These pull out really nice and easily. So again, lots of space to be able to store extra items. Come on upstairs and I'll show you around up here. Sensor lights going on, which is good if you're up in the night for the bathroom. And this bedroom, again we've staged it with a queen size bed, but you could even have a couple of single beds in here for the children. And again, wardrobes and drawers there. Plenty of storage. And coming through to the third bedroom, and we've made it just a lovely lounge space, chill zone. And look at that feature wall. So beautiful. Again, if you wanted to, you could choose to actually close this off completely if you wanted full privacy up here. But we thought that was just a beautiful feature. And again, if this is a bedroom, we've got a really cool cupboard space built in here for more storage. So just a beautiful space to be. You could use it for so many different ways. Yoga room or sewing room, office space, bedroom. So again, you can easily fit a single bed or a queen size bed in this room. Coming back down the stairs. And I'll just take you back through to see how beautiful that open plan kitchen and lounge is. And that is our beautiful new 3-bedroom tiny home.